Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to turn off Find My iPhone on your iPhone or iPad. So how can you fix that? First of all, if you're trying this from the settings and you just search here like Find My iPhone, let me just open it. So you won't be able to fix it. Let me just find my iPhone. As you can see, I am unable to turn it off from the settings option. So how you can fix that? Just close the settings and go inside the application which is Find My iPhone. And once you open the Find My iPhone application, just you will be here at this some any settings. So just go inside the devices and just choose your iPhone. Once you choose your iPhone, so just scroll down, keep scrolling, and at the end you will see these two options: erase this device, and second is remove this device. Now erase is basically it might lock it or erase all the data, but remove is basically remove this device from the Find My iPhone list. Once you click on remove this iPhone, it will basically turn the Find My iPhone off and remove it from the list. So that's a simple and easy process of how you can do it.